I think you can see it. Okay, good. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and this weekend is July 4th, so happy July 4th, everybody. I hope you're enjoying yourself. I was trying to figure out the best background to film in, so I bought one of those ultra black backgrounds, and I was trying to take some silly photos of it, but things turned serious, and now we're here. So today we're doing another 1,000 mile review of the Sportbrella. I don't know if you've heard of this brand or if you've seen this. I actually picked up a brand new one from Sam's Club for about $40, but I thought we could do the 1,000 mile review of this. I bet you're asking yourself, Jillian, how can an umbrella get to 1,000 miles? Trust me, it can, okay? So I've owned this umbrella for a few years now. I bought the original from Amazon when it like first came out. I was so awestruck at it, and I needed something for the beach because I always go to the beach with my dog at River Island State Park. They have like a little beach area down there. So I needed something to go to the beach with, and I thought I would show you what the main things are and why I bought a new one as well. So as you can see, this has just a regular tip on it. The new one has like a screw tip, and you know, you just lift this up and should be able to pull it out. But you can see that after using it quite a lot, it's just, you know, it's really hard to move and pull out, etc. So, and this is impossible to clip back down after it's been pulled out. So, but you can see that, you know, I'm going to do a comparison video of the new one, but one of the things is that the new one has the corkscrew on it. So you can screw it into the sand, and that part is separate from this. So you can see this is all one piece. I'll probably just end up keeping this, but my biggest complaint, and let me show you where they're at. Here we go. I want to show you the stakes of this as well. I think I kept one of the bent ones because I wanted to show you what they do. So this is also one of my complaints. This looks kind of silly, but this is also one of my major complaints with these cheap little stakes. You can see here that I've only used this in the sand, okay? But you can see here that these are a big problem, you know? You can see that they bend quite easily, and you know, I've thrown away most of them. I think it came with like 6, but you can see here though that the heads bend themselves around, you know, and it's you know, you're hitting it with a mallet, but you know, it just doesn't work so well. So I like to keep in here, and of course I don't have any. That figures. Let me go get some. So I like to buy just these type of stakes. They're the bright yellow ones. They're like 50 cents a piece at Walmart. I don't want to, well, not a sponsor, you know? So these are the best stakes for sand. That's why they're huge, yellow, and they're the cheapest. And that's because you're not supposed to use these for your regular tent, because these, number one, are too huge. You can see here how big they are, and they're going to be too big usually for a lot of the tent holes. You don't want to use these for your regular tent, but for sand, these are awesome. They're easy to put in, easy to get out of the sand, easy to use. So I use these. They're totally plastic. They're easy to hit with a mallet, and I use these all the time with the Sportbrella instead of these, right? Which are similar, but they're like metal, and you can see that these ones bend easier, you know? So as part of the 1,000 mile review, I also wanted to show you what happens in the rivets. So the rivets are what keep the tent down in the back. And you can see like this one is intact, right? It's just got a little circle here. It's a little rivet to like keep it intact. But let me tell you, after using this for so long, a lot of the rivets have fallen off or are no longer usable. So like this one you can see is pretty warped. It's like warped, and it's no longer in that perfect circle shape, you know, in order to keep it down. And a lot of them are just gone, unfortunately. I have one especially that's just completely ripped off. Let's see if I can find it in here. Oh, here it is, yeah. So you can see here that this one, which I thought was just a cloth one, actually, when I was just looking at it, but you can see here that the rivet itself is just completely off of there. It no longer is usable, right? So, and that's my only thing, you know, about this umbrella. And I just bought the new one because I wanted the upgrades on it, you know, and you can see on the top there, it is a plastic, you know, topper. It does have a little like keychain in order to hang it up to dry if you want. I've never had that problem. This one's just like covered in sand because I've used it so much, but I just thought I would do like a little 1,000-mile review of it. Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.